Should we tell Mom? We'll just peek. One peek. Whoa! Visitors! Real one! Oh, the kingdom hasn't had visitors in ages. You can talk? Of course I can talk. The bridge only shines for kind hearts working together. We're a team! That's the Waterfall of Whispers. It hums the happiest memory of anyone who listens. I hear my birthday, little star. Hang in there. You two really are something. This is the best treasure ever. Bye, Puffin. Thanks for the best day ever. Mia, look, we will.
Now that you've seen the final result, let's start from the very beginning and create this AI cartoon step by step. The very first thing we need before generating any videos is deciding how our cartoon should actually look, because this step has a huge impact on the final quality. Instead of opening an AI generator immediately, we'll first gather some visual inspiration. To do that, head over to Pinterest and search for keywords related to the style you want. For example, if you're creating a Pixar-style cartoon, search for terms like Pixar 3D characters, cozy animated scenes, dreamy fantasy environments, or cute cartoon kids. Spend a few minutes comparing different styles instead of saving the first image you find, because once you begin generating your video, changing the style later becomes much harder. Save several images that have similar lighting, colors, facial expressions, clothing, and environments into a single folder. These references will help you stay consistent throughout the project and also make it much easier when you're generating your character references later. Once you've decided on the visual style, it's time to create the story. A lot of beginners make the mistake of jumping straight into AI generation without knowing what happens next, and that's exactly why their videos end up feeling random. Instead, open Claude or any AI writing assistant and give it a simple idea for your cartoon. You don't need a complicated prompt. Just describe the type of story you want, who the main characters are, what happens at the beginning, what happens in the middle, and how the story ends. For example, you could ask it to write a wholesome adventure about two young children who fall asleep and wake up in a magical cloud kingdom where they explore together sparkling waterfalls, before finding their way back home with an unforgettable memory of their adventure. After generating the story, read through it carefully and make small changes so every scene flows naturally into the next. This planning stage only takes a few minutes but saves a lot of time later, because every video clip you'll generate follows this exact storyline. Now that the story is ready, we can create our characters. Character consistency is one of the most important parts of making long AI cartoons, because if your character changes hairstyles, clothing, or facial features in every scene, the entire animation immediately looks fake. To solve this, we'll create reference sheets instead of generating random images every time. I'll be using Gemini because it includes Nano Banana 2, which is excellent for maintaining character consistency, but you can use any AI image generator you prefer. Generate a full-body reference sheet of your first character with multiple angles, keeping the same hairstyle, clothes, facial expression, and colors. Then repeat the exact same process for your second character. These reference sheets will become the foundation for every scene you'll create later, making it much easier for the AI to recognize the same characters throughout the story. After that, it's time to generate our first video. Open Google Vids and select the AI video generation option. The interface is very beginner-friendly, so even if you've never used it before, you shouldn't have any problems following along. Upload your starting image along with your character references and then write a detailed prompt describing exactly what should happen. One tip that dramatically improves your results is using timeline prompting instead of writing everything in one sentence. Rather than telling the AI to make two kids build a pillow fort and laugh together in a single prompt, divide the actions into different time segments. For example, from 0 to 2 seconds they gather pillows, from 2 to 4 seconds they build the fort together, from 4 to 6 seconds they laugh and crawl inside. This gives the AI a much clearer understanding of what should happen during each moment of the video, producing smoother and more natural animations. Once your prompt is ready, generate the first clip and review the results carefully. Don't worry if the first attempt isn't perfect because AI generation often takes a few tries. If the expressions, camera movement, or background don't look right, simply adjust the prompt slightly and generate again until you're happy with the result. After creating the first clip, most beginners make another common mistake by taking the last frame and using it as the starting image for the next generation. Although this sounds like the logical approach, it usually creates an awkward transition because the AI doesn't understand the movement that happened before that frame. Instead, if Google Vids offers the extend feature, use that option to continue your existing clip. Since the AI already understands the previous motion, it creates much smoother transitions that feel like one continuous scene rather than separate clips stitched together. If you don't have the extend feature available, another excellent technique is recreating the last frame from a different camera angle. A natural camera cut feels intentional, making the transition much less noticeable while also adding more cinematic variety to your animation. Continue repeating this same workflow for every scene in your story, always following your planned script and maintaining the same visual style. Once all your clips are generated, the hardest part is already finished. Now it's time to edit everything together inside Google Vids. Import every clip into the timeline and arrange them according to your story. Add smooth transitions wherever necessary, but don't overuse fancy effects because simple cuts often look much more professional. Next, review the audio in every scene. If a clip contains unwanted silence or doesn't sound natural, simply record your own narration directly inside the editor and place it on the timeline. You can also add background music and subtle sound effects to make the final cartoon feel much more immersive, but remember to keep the music volume low enough so viewers can clearly hear the dialogue. Before exporting your final video, watch the entire project from beginning to end to make sure every scene flows naturally, the characters remain consistent, and there aren't any sudden visual changes or awkward transitions. If you notice anything that feels out of place, go back and regenerate that specific scene rather than settling for a lower quality result. Finally, if your generated clips include a watermark, you can remove it using one of the free online watermark removal tools before exporting your finished project. And that's it. We've gone through the complete workflow, starting with finding style inspiration, planning our story, creating consistent character reference sheets, writing better prompts, generating connected AI scenes, editing everything together, improving the audio, and exporting a polished long AI cartoon completely for free. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.